Hello and welcome to the Top Sellers by Keyword Search tab tutorial. What this tab does, is when you are typing in seed keyword, into the seed keyword text box, and after clicking Get Keyword Related Top Sellers, it will get all the top selling products, that are related to that keyword. From the standard buttons you have the Clear All button, Save Results, Save ASINs, Abort and Filter Results. For this demonstration we are using the word car battery as seed keyword. After clicking Get Keyword Related Top Sellers the process might take a while. For this demonstration we collected 162 items related to car battery, that are the best sellers in their categories.